Welcome back. It has been since May 2021 since I have filmed a video for YouTube. I may have posted some videos since then because I had videos filmed and just never edited, and I never had the chance to, so I've been trying to get those posted. But as far as sitting down and filming a YouTube video, I have not done so since May 2021. It is now January 2022. So, geez, almost a year it feels like. So it's way over half a year since I've filmed for YouTube. A lot has changed. A lot has gone on in my life and in the world. We've all been through so much. Every last one of us. There's not one person who's been immune to the trauma of the world with the pandemic and all of the fallout and just everything. Obviously, you see I have a change of scenery. I don't want to go into too much detail, but for those of you who have reached out, who saw either on Facebook or in the last video I had posted, I mentioned it at the end of the birth story video for my youngest daughter, Celia. I'm going through a divorce. Maybe eventually I'll be able to talk about it, but I don't want to talk about it right now. Just know that, you know, I'm a single mom now of two little girls, 2 under 2. My oldest will be 2 in March. In 2 months, my oldest will be 2, Elena, and my youngest Celia will be 1 in March. God bless them, my angels. They keep me going always. So I'm a single mom now. There's been a lot that I won't discuss. It's been a huge struggle, but it's okay because God always has my back. God got me. So I'm mentioning it because there's been a lot of changes. For example, as you see where I am now, this will eventually be the site of my new office. Unfortunately, I did have to lose my house that I had. We were renting, but you know, I had to lose that. It got really scary for a while. I thought I was looking at shelters, women's shelters. I was looking at very bad neighborhoods and things like that, which, you know, I'm from there, so a lot of the places, so, you know, I just didn't want that for my girls. You know, I wanted a completely different life for them, but, you know, it's all God's plan at the end of the day. So as long as they're healthy and taken care of, that's the only thing that matters in this world. So, but at the end of the day, people that you would never expect, people always come through. Like, I just feel like I'm just always so blessed, no matter what's going on, no matter what's bad happening in the world, in my life. And I'm sorry if I'm sounding too preachy, but I just something straight from my heart, honestly, is that no matter what, there's always good people in this world. No matter how dark times seem, there's such great people in this world, and I wouldn't be standing here right now in this room if it weren't for the amazing people who really helped me in my time of need. So sometimes where it felt like the end of the road, it felt like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with all my stuff? I'm gonna have to sell all my stuff. And, you know, this may not be what I had before, but this is where I'm living now. I have this for my girls, so I'm just so blessed. So there's lots of boxes. As you can see, if you can notice some of the stuff from my old office in my other basement at the other house. I have to put it all back together, kind of in the same way that I'm just kind of putting the pieces back together in my life at this point. So this is what I'll be doing before I can get started doing anything, doing any of my projects or doing any embroidery, any Cricut stuff. My Cricut, I don't even know what my Cricut is. My embroidery machine. Oh, embroidery machine on the floor. Found it. I just found this camera the other day, and then I found the batteries. It's been a struggle. It's been a struggle, but everything is here, thank God. So if you want to keep following my journey as I figure out a way to put all of this back together somehow at night when both of my girls are asleep, and after work hours are done, because, you know, I still got to work my full-time job during the day. So sorry for the long introduction, but I just kind of wanted to give you the update. Somehow, even though from being gone from YouTube from all this time, I somehow still have like over 3,000 subscribers. I want to say it's close to 4,000 at this point. So for all of you who have stood there patiently waiting for me to post a video and stay subscribed and did not unsubscribe from me, I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for sticking with me. So it's still going to be a journey from here, so thank you in advance if you continue to stick with me. And we'll get back up. You know how they always show that picture, if you've seen, where it says what people think success looks like, and it's like a straight line going straight up, but what success really looks like is like a squiggly line, up, down, around, roller coaster, upside down. So I'm in one of those down, but on the way back up, because I ain't never gonna stay down. That's where I am right now. Oh, I did forget to mention, before the beginning of the divorce proceedings, what really caused me to stop doing YouTube, I lost my aunt in June, and I'll never be the same. She was like another mother to me, and I was not ready for that. And I know there's plenty of people I haven't answered. I've really pulled away in so many ways in life from people. It's just been rough in a lot of different ways. I had that surgery. I don't know if you saw that video. It was a very long recovery. That was a lot. I did finish my master's degree. I finished my master's degree. I now have an MBA, so a Master of Business Administration in Digital Marketing. So yeah, I was finishing that in the middle of everything. So it's been a lot. 2021, I'm so glad that year is done, because I'm closing that chapter of my life is done. Thank God. Moving forward, new year, new me. So I'm back. I am back, folks, and thank you for sticking with me. I love all you all. I love you guys.
Bye.